Today, we are declaring war on traditional lead generation industry. And I'm going to reveal exactly why the big name agencies are failing service-based businesses and the new model that's replacing them. If you've been burnt by an agency before, it's not your fault. The system is rigged against you. Let's look at the competitive landscape. Big full-service agencies charge massive setup fees, sometimes 10 to 15K before they even run an ad. Why? Because their churn rate is huge. Then you have lead generation agencies that just give you cheap, unqualified Facebook leads that never answer the phone. We looked at this and decided to do the exact opposite. No large upfront setup fee. We focus purely on appointments, not just leads, and we back it with a hard guarantee. 30 qualified appointments in 90 days. We use a partnership model, a base management fee plus a small percentage of closed deals. This means if you don't win, we don't win. We have zero incentive to send you junk leads. If you are tired of the old agency model and want a true growth partner that guarantees results, click on the link below to get your client growth system today.